Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of Harley-Davidson of Danbury. If you're watching this video, you may see it on TikTok. You might see it on our YouTube channel or Facebook. If you're watching it as a Facebook reel, if you want to see the whole walk around and review of this 2023 Street Glide Special, check the comments section. I'll post the link to the full-length video in the comments section of the reel. Anyway, what we've got here is a Prospect Gold Street Glide Special. Now, what is a special? A special means that it is a special bike, and what it comes with is painted inner fairing, 6.3-inch infotainment with the hard touch screen, all standard equipment, anti-lock brakes, standard equipment. We've got the Prospect Gold paint. So it's an upgraded machine with more than just a standard Street Glide. Now, in addition to the Prospect Gold paint on this one, we've got the black trim and engine. So we got a beautiful motorcycle. We've got custom hand grips on this one. It's only got 4,300 miles. It sells for just under $24K. Beautiful solo seat. You can see the one-touch saddlebags work beautifully. They open easy, and they're black. So all the details on this motorcycle are black. Now, among the other things that this bike has, besides the ABS, traction control, the hill assist, it's got the 114 Milwaukee 8 engine. Now, what is a Milwaukee 8? A Milwaukee 8 is a 45-degree V-twin engine with push rods. It's a traditional Harley. It looks right. It sounds right. It's reliable. It makes lots of power. Don't be persuaded or dissuaded in any way. You read a lot of nonsense about oil pumps on M8s, and it only applies to some of the very few and very first 2017 bikes that were made, which have long since been repaired or upgraded. So we've got an awesome machine. 6-speed transmission, so we got a gear for every situation. Got a belt final drive. It's quiet, clean, virtually maintenance free. Now, as a special, you can see this one has the stretch saddlebags here. Again, a nice feature, adds a real cool styling element to the motorcycle. Solo seat, we've got Krome Werks slip-on mufflers on this motorcycle as well. We've got the ventilator style oval air cleaner, which I like, very traditional type of Harley-Davidson styled air cleaner. But what you can't beat is the look, sound, feel, and performance of a 45-degree V-twin Harley. It just looks right, it sounds right, it feels right, and it's what the customer wants, and this bike gives it to you in spades. So we've got lowered shocks, 3/4 of an inch lower than standard as well on this Street Glide Special. Dual disc brakes, as I said, and again, that M8 engine has throttle response and fueling that is second to none, and it is superior to other motorcycles. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Again, this bike only has 4,300 miles on it. It is road ready. It is service. It's ready to go. Harley-Davidson of Danbury, Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday, 10 to 4. We're at 203-730-2453, and we'll see you at the dealership. Let's go take this for a ride. By the way, financing is available for this bike for approved borrowers. So come on down and we can help you with that too. Thanks for watching.